I'm dealing with a 2002 Mercedes C as in Charles 230 supercharged. As a matter of fact, we're looking at supercharger pulley down there. Simply what it's got going on, well, I don't know if it's simple or not, but the idler pulley seized up. I can't even move it, and it caused the belt to tract, fall off, and luckily it didn't damage the supercharger belt. And I just simply need to replace that. The other problem is the hose right on the side over here. There's a hose, there's a hole right here. So I'd imagine this broke, caused the car to overheat, and that's what allowed the hose to probably expand. It was a weak area, but it looked like it was, in a way, it looked like it was hitting the fan there. It probably could have expanded and pushed out and hit it. Well, you can't see it that good, but that's like what it would happen. What I'm gonna do, this air is a little dirty. I want to take some brake cleaner, some air, clean this off, and come back, and then we'll tackle this. I can't promise that this made much of a difference, but I will say it's just a tad bit cleaner than what it was. That's the main thing. Now, again, we're just replacing this pulley. And we got plenty of room, which is great. The socket that I have is an E10. E12 will fit on there good. E11 will fit on there, but this is the E10. I'm hoping this is not seized up. I'd imagine this might be reverse thread. I'm gonna try to go the other way. Logically, it should. No, it's like locked up when I went the appropriate way. Let me take this. Let's see what happens. That's like locking up. This is tough. Cause it's locking up when I go that way. It locks when I go the other way. Yeah, I think. Uh-oh. I don't know why I was doing that. Thrown off. This is tough. Should be reverse thread. Hopefully I'm kind of locking up. Oh, you know what? This one has a bolt, a nut on the front of it. So yeah, this is not gonna, I didn't see that. This one doesn't, does this have a nut on the front of it? This is plastic. I ain't the smartest man in the world. Let me see if that plastic comes off. And there's a nut behind there. I hope it is. Oh, it is. Shows what I know. I didn't look up the directions or anything. Oh yeah, it's great. See, because both of those look similar. Yeah, there's a behind this cap. Yep, there sure is a nut back there. I was wondering like why it partially worked. I mean, it should have done something. I mean, I've had these C's, not this, but pulley C's up. Usually the pulleys are going to be reversed. There you go. Where'd it go? There you go. I can actually be able to reuse this. It's fine. Yeah, there's a little cover here. That's fine. Shows what I know. Again, so we're going to pull that nut off. Look like a 13. Try 13. Nope. Nope. Still gonna keep that There. All right, this should be reversed. Let me see. Nope. It's not. Oh, I'm lazy. It was like literally like a bead of sweat. I got the fan off just so I can record, and it's hot. What's the temperature in here? 80 degrees and no breeze. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, came right off. That's cool. It didn't damage the dry shaft. Usually get pretty bad if it damages the dry shaft, but I should just be able to replace it with the new one and call it a day. So the one at the part store was like $40 something, and we got that. This is the Euro part from O'Reilly's. Y'all know I frequently patronize that place. And there's the part number for those who care. Here's the new one. Simply just should be able to slide this on here like so. And install in reverse order. Let's get the nut back on here. Ideally, yes, you're supposed to torque this, but I'm gonna go to torque to feel route. And I'm just gonna snug it. Should be able to support loosening it or detensioning it. So. But even then, I still got the E10 I can use to depressurize the tensioner so I can put the belt on. So let's slide the belt on. We gotta take the supercharger belt off. Now I can put a 15 short socket on this one, but I got a deep socket there, so I got two routes. Since I got the E, we'll use that. Put that down, and then we're gonna slide the new belt on there. Unfortunately, my part store did not have a Gates brand belt. I had to use the Master Pro, but I'm gonna show you the part number. Here's the Master Pro brand belt. I don't like using these because they're too cheap. And to be truth be told, I mean, after a year of putting these belts, after a year, the belt looked like it was never replaced before. They just don't last long. I mean, but this is a house brand belt. I don't expect much. I used to use them because they were cheaper, but yeah, no, never again. Except for circumstances like this, when that's the only thing they got. I think this goes around that way. Go around. I think it goes up here and back around. So yeah, there we go. Deal with a smooth pulley is the last thing you would put it on. So we're going to do that. Put that. The belt's not on there all the way. Make one trip around. Yeah, that's on like it's supposed to, just that fast. Let me get, oh shoot, let me get this back around the supercharger. Let's go put this around the harmonic balancer. That's that. So we're good. We're gonna start it up. Let me show you. So it goes around the compressor. You can cover this bracket here for the air box. Over the water, also over the water pump, over the power steering pump. There's our idler, around the idler, over the crank, and around the water pump. Let's start it up. Everything's working like it's supposed to. Got power steering. All the belts are on there. So I think we're in good shape. Like I said, that cover's not going back on there. I had to destroy this. Oh shit, the car's moving. Oh gosh. Got the emergency brake on. Hold on. Put something behind the wheel. That's another thing I need to fix on this car's emergency brake, because the ball keep falling out the pocket of the socket for the housing, but it's over the drive shaft. Either way, it'll be another day. All right, that didn't take long, literally like 20 minutes. I just got to put the air box back in there, call it a day. So we used the E10, decide to, but the bolt for the pulley was 15 millimeter. And that's it. This is about as easy as it gets. If anything happened, I'll definitely update. Hit the link, subscribe to the channel, stay informed, how to reach on my work. See you next one.